Here I have TCL 10 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select your language. I already selected English. Then you tap start. Then you can connect to the mobile network. If you have the SIM card, this is the right moment to insert it, but if you don't have one, you can just skip it for now. Next, you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, or if you don't have any network, you can just set up a device offline. Next, you have to set up your date. Next is the Google services. If you want, you can leave them. If you don't want, you can just disable them here. But anyway, you'll have to agree with the Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Next, if you want, you can add your fingerprint, but you can do this in the settings later. Next, you can set up your screen lock, but you can also do this in the settings later. Then you can add your Face ID here, but if you want, you can do this later in settings. Next, you have to select the dominant hand. I guess it's right. Tap next. Then you have to select if you want to enable or disable this NXT vision. As you can see, it's just like some visual stuff, and you just tap next. Then you have to select if you want to have home screen and drawers, or just home screen only. Then tap next, and the setup complete. When you just tap finish, then you allow all these apps, and your phone is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.